There are 3 ways to become a millionaire. Number 1, have a great idea that you start a business with and it disrupts the world and you change the world. That's probably the hardest, but that's one way I see friends that are millionaires make their millions. Second is to be a great saver through budgeting. That's something I can help you with. Putting money in the market, letting it compound and grow, and do this over 10, 15, 20 years, that's the path I see a lot of people take to become a millionaire. The third way is to work your way up through a company and become a CEO. Those are the 3 ways that I see to become a millionaire. I can't help you with the ideas. I can't help you with the CEO. I can help you with the budgeting and investing. Call us if you'd like to talk further.